Speechmatics tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Speechmatics. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Speechmatics, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Speechmatics, it is a UK-based artificial intelligence company that specializes in advanced automatic speech recognition or ASR and speech-to-text technology, in which the company is known for developing highly accurate voice recognition systems capable of understanding multiple languages, accents, and dialects in real time. And Speechmatics uses deep learning and natural language processing to convert spoken language into written text, making it useful for industries such as media, customer service, healthcare, education, and business communication. And now in terms of the pricing plan, they have here a free plan, pro, and enterprise plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits including on each plan. But in those options, I'm going to click the Get Started button on the top right and start signing in using Google account or GitHub for free. Now all you need to do in here is to simply answer the question by selecting here your answer below. Once done, it will show you which best describe who you are. I'm going to choose personal use, and also what type of personal use are you exploring. You could also choose, for example, learning. Then following, do you consent to marketing emails? I'm going to click yes or no. I'm going to click no as an example. And once done, all you need to do is wait for it to load, since it will automatically be directed you on this page or dashboard of Speechmatics, in which on the left side panel we have here a variety of options to navigate, such as speech to text and many more. You could also click under the home section in here. We have here the demo, the integrations, where we can start integrating a variety of applications or code in here. It will show us in here all of the algorithm and also a Python, JavaScript, and .NET kind of code, in which each code has corresponding purposes on it, in which it is useful to enable developers integrate speech recognition and voice AI capabilities into application through APIs and SDKs. So let's start under the demo section in here. You have here an option to choose either frustrated caller, doctor to patient chat, breaking news, and many more, and even transcribe audio file in here, which is used to convert a pre-recorded audio or video file into written text automatically. This feature allows users to upload files such as MP3, MP4, or other supported formats, and the system processes the speech using AI-powered automatic speech recognition technology. You can click Upload File to upload a computer files in here as an example, and it will automatically transcribe the audio file in here. You can also navigate here this text to speech. You have an option to choose your preferred languages and version, in which this kind of feature technology converts written text into spoken audio using artificial intelligence and synthetic voice generation. Now aside from this, you could also navigate on the left side panel this real-time transcription, in which you have an option to choose under display option in here, either partials, land break, and many more, in which this kind of feature instantly converts spoken words into written text while the speaker is talking. This technology uses automatic speech recognition as well and AI processing to capture live audio from microphone, calls, meetings, broadcasts, or streaming platforms and display the transcription immediately on screen. You can turn on the accuracy in here, and even this transcription latency you can adjust here, as you can see in here. So basically, this real-time transcription is commonly used for live captions, online classes, conferences, customer support, interviews, and accessibility services because it helps users understand conversation as they happen. And it also offers multiple languages, punctuation, speaker recognition, and timestamps. Moving on, under file transcription in here, it is the process of converting pre-recorded audio or video files into written text using speech recognition technology. The file transcription feature allows users to upload media files such as MP3, WAV, MP4, which are then analyzed by AI to produce accurate text transcriptions. Now moving on, you could also navigate these completed jobs, in which it refers to transcription or speech processing tasks that already have finished processing successfully. You can track here the file name, the status of it, the date it has been created, the accuracy, and languages. Now aside from this, you could also navigate on the left side panel this generate speech or this text to speech, in which once again it transforms written text into spoken voice output using AI and speech synthesis, in which users can simply input the text and the system generates natural sounding audio that mimics human speech. While on the other hand, you could also navigate these API keys, in which it is a unique authentication codes used to securely connect application or software within the Speechmatics platform and its services. By clicking this plus create new key button on the pop-up window, all you need to do is to create or enter a name of API to start creating it. While on the left side panel, you could also navigate this general to navigate this some of your project with the corresponding ID of it. Moving on, under the settings option, upon clicking your profile icon below, it will automatically show you all of the settings, including your user settings, your information about security, and many more that you can even customize in here depending on your needs. Well, if you want to upgrade your plan, you can click the upgrade button in here. By clicking so, it will show you in here the list of plan that you could also choose from to purchase. Now going back on our portal or homepage, under the code section, it will show you we have here different kind of type of code such as Python, JavaScript, and .NET, in which the purpose of this is to use of programming code to integrate and operate Speechmatics speech recognition and voice AI services within the application or system, in which the code is used to upload audio files, receive transcription results, manage API requests, authenticate using API keys, and customize speech processing features. Now moving on, aside from this, if you scroll down, it will show you under the Learn section that we have here this Academy. Upon clicking on it, it will show you all of this data and also a file, which is a learning source designed to help user understand and use Speechmatics technologies and services effectively. It provides a guides, documentation, sample codes, and educational materials related to speech recognition, transcription, or APIs. Moving on, you could also navigate this status option, in which this section provides information about the current operational condition of Speechmatics services and system. It will allow you to monitor whether features such as API, real-time transcription, and file transcription are functioning normally or experiencing issues. While under the documentation section, this contains detailed technical guides and references that help users to develop and understand how to use the platform features in APIs, include instructions for setting up accounts, generating API keys, integrating speech-to-text services, and many more. It basically serves as the main reference source for learning how to effectively implement and manage Speechmatics services. So basically, given all of those kind of features, the importance of using Speechmatics lies in its ability to provide accurate and efficient speech recognition and transcription services through artificial intelligence. It helps individuals and organizations save time by automatically converting spoken language into written text instead of doing a manual transcription. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Speechmatics. Thank you.